Hi guys, you're welcome back to Weight Loss with Cicilla Day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this cabbage swallow. Yes, this swallow is not semo, it's not amala, it is pure cabbage. And if you know and if you are versatile in this weight loss journey, you know that cabbage is a vegetable and it is a vegetable that is very low in calories. About 100 grams of cabbage is just 25 calories, which means 1 kg of cabbage is going to give you just 250 calories, which is actually lesser than half cup of semo or even half cup of eba. So you can imagine how much calories you're going to be saving with this recipe. So let's go to the kitchen. I have this leftover cabbage that I used for my coleslaw. So I'm just going to, the regular thing, clean it up and cut it into bits. After which I'll be transferring it into my blender, and I'm going to be adding a whole lot of water that is going to be enough for me to blend the whole cabbage, even though I'll be putting in the cabbage bit by bit. So I'm just going to blend this up in patches. Some recipes actually require you boiling the cabbage to make it softer, but to me, I just feel there is really no need for that. It's vegetables, you eat it raw, so why can't you just make the swallow like that? So yeah, so once we get to this particular consistency, then I think we are good to go. Yes, so after that, we are going to sieve it up and we are just going to get as much water as we want out. So the thing about this particular one is that I actually want to have this one straight away. So I drained as much water as I could so that I won't need to wait for it to get cool, you understand? So in case you want it to be a bit much, like you want it to be voluminous, you don't need to drain all the water out of it. So I'm going to add it to my pot, and I added a bit more water because it was really too solid, so I needed some more water to just make it a bit easy for me to cook. And I'll be adding in few psyllium husk here. So this is psyllium husk that I'll be using as the binder for this particular one. There are other binders that can be used. I'm going to be sharing that in another video, but let's just do with this psyllium husk because this is the general binder that everybody knows. So yes, as you can see, I have to stir continuously on fire, and you can see the whole thing coming together. Yes, without the psyllium husk, this is not going to happen. So once I'm done with this, I'm just going to transfer it into my plate, or I transfer it into a nylon to just give it a mold. Here is the final result of our cabbage swallow, and I'm serving it with this oil-free eforiru. You can check description box for the oil-free eforiru recipe, and that is going to be all for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and turn on your post notification. So here is our cabbage swallow. You can just see how fluffy this is, not sticky. Tastes just like amala or your eba or even your semovita. Just feel that texture. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Please subscribe, okay?